You want to make sure when you put it in, it stops right there at that line. You can kind of see it when you need to stop there. Because remember, it's a duplex. They'll go all the way through if you don't watch it.
You said 18 inches?
Yes, sir. 18 inches to the center.
Oh, that's right.
You need a pencil?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you want to do is mark it first with the pencil. If we had a marker, you can mark the studs with a marker, but the conduit pipe, it's not good to mark the conduit pipe with a marker. A lot of contractors feel funny of that because some conduits is going to be exposed. Some. So it's best to use a pencil.
And the mark goes right in the middle, right?
Hmm?
The mark goes right where that is.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It keeps dropping down.
Just make sure it don't drop down.
No, I'm talking about the red.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta play with it. You gotta show them who boss.
That's because it's loose.
I got that.
So, you want to get a 90 out of here. I want you to get a 90 out of here. You can come from the last one if you want, or you can come. You got all those open. Get a 90 out of here, half inch. How you know which one you want to go into? If you want to go into that one, that's cool.
All right.
If you want, you can start with there with a 90, and 90 out of here,
Yeah, I want to
and get in the hair. Now, how you gonna get the measurement? What's the best way to do to get the measurement?
First, I need this.
And what are you gonna do with that? You wanna do it like that?
I'm going through these stuff right here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I would do. Let me see if you can get a shorter piece and you stick it on here, let it be level, and then you know you're gonna measure from your box to your pipe. If you want to use that, first you check and see if it's what.
It's level.
Let's get a level, see if it's level. You got one? Put it back on there. It's not? You holding it up. Oh, let me see.
Oh, it might be because it do set up a little bit and
Yeah, you can make that work.
Small enough.
You can kind of make that work. Or if you want to bend your own.
I'm gonna put my own.
Yeah, so let's say if you want to bend your own, what I would do. Let's see if this is level. Even though that's not level, I would move it up like this and then measure from the top of the bottom, right there at the bottom of the box to where. Yes, sir. Make sure you level, and that'll tell you what your 90 is. What you're gonna bring your 90. And then you can get a straight piece right here, wherever one you're going to, and measure from the back of here to your pipe.
That looks like 15.
Yeah, okay. Go ahead. He think he's gonna be able to bend that and get it in there. I don't know how.
I'm not about to listen to him because he better. No, I'm using the coupling.
I don't know how you're gonna do it.
Using the coupling.
How much 90 you say you need?
15.
So that looks like a 90. That looks good. That looks
And
good.
it's level. I got it level too.
Got it level? My brother.
Yeah, 15.
Looks good. How much 90 you say? Yeah.
15 on that one.
You know you can hold that up. Hold that up towards there. On the outside, you know, come on the outside of the box.
You think you
Come on the outside of the box. No, like you was doing.
You got a point there.
Either you can either do it this way too. You can do like this.
That's too.
But all you're doing is you hold this. I can't hold my phone in this. Let me pause this. Yeah.
This is
And then
like-
you mark it.